Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha, and in today's video we'll be making donuts. I know I haven't seen you guys in a while. I've missed y'all so much. I hope all of you are still doing good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And I thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I am firstly going to start off by sifting 1 kg of the Sasko sweet dough mixture. This is to ensure that your dough is nice and fluffy. Next, I will be adding 20 grams of yeast. This next step is optional. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of cinnamon because I really love the taste of cinnamon. I am now going to be adding 170 grams of butter. You could melt your butter if you prefer it that way. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of milk. Thereafter, I will add 1 cup of warm water. I am now going to stir the mixture before adding the eggs. Now add 4 large eggs to the mixture and stir. Now it's time to get my hands dirty. I will now start kneading the dough. Please don't come for me. I can't knead to save my life. It's very much giving. We are Sogoli survives. But I tried. Now I will rub a little bit of oil to the container, and then I will add the dough and let it rest for 1 hour.
While your dough is resting, this is the perfect time to start making your syrup. Add 2.5 cups of boiling water into a pot. Then add 2 cups of sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves, and then you can leave it to cook. I added a cinnamon stick. I cooked my syrup for 10 minutes on a medium to high heat. Now that your dough has rested for an hour and doubled in size, add flour to the surface that you will be using. I will now be rolling out the dough. I don't have a rolling pin, but as you can see, I improvised. I will now be dividing the dough into two, as the surface area that I'm using isn't large enough for such a piece of dough. Please make sure that you use enough flour to make sure that your dough don't become sticky. I will now be rolling out this piece of dough. Thereafter, I will be shaping the donuts. You can make your donuts any shape or size that you would prefer. Once I'm done shaping the donuts, I will allow it to rest until it doubles in size. Please make sure to cover the donuts so that your dough don't get dry. Add oil to a pot or pan, whichever you would like to use, on a low to medium heat. Fry your donuts till it's golden brown, then remove it and then place it in cold syrup. These donuts tasted so delicious. I'm even craving it now as I'm editing this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.